What up guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you a new social network application which is also giving its token to the community through mining. The name of this application is TIK Network, and TIK Network is going to be giving out TIKCOIN to the community, and the total supply of this token is just 7.7 billion tokens. And all you need to do is just to come in and click once or twice every single day, all right, and you'll be accumulating this token for completely free. Yes, it's completely free guys. Mining duration for this project is from Q2 to Q4, so that means we should be expecting listing somewhere around December 2025. Anyway, in this video I'll be showing you how to get started on this platform, how to download the application, how you can start using it to earn and accumulate more of this TIKCOIN every single day. Now guys, remember this is a project with its own utility cases, right? So it's a coin with its utility case already, so I think it's a good one, and if you're interested, pay attention to this video to the end. Alright guys, so to get started you need to use the link in the description of this video. Click on it. Once you click on that link, it's going to bring you straight to this page. This is where you're going to see yourself, and once you get here all you have to do is to click on get started. Just click on the get started button. Just put in your email address, then you click on verify email, then a code will be sent to your, or let me say a link will be sent to your email address that you provided right here, and you have to click on it to verify your account. Now let's do that quickly. Now a verification email has been sent to your email. Now let's quickly go and check our email. So here in my email I just got this, so I'm just going to scroll down and click on confirm your emails. You just click on this button and you are good to go. It's going to take you back to the website. Once it's successful, you are going to see this screen. All right, so now let's go back to where we were registering earlier on. I'm going to go back there. Alright, so once we are back here on this site, you need to click on get started again so that you can complete your registration. We have not yet finished with our registration, so let's complete our registration. Now you put back your email address right here. We've already verified your email, but you put it back there and it's going to automatically give you access to continue creating your account. Okay, so click on verify email again. Alright, so now you can email verify. You can see it says email verified. Now you can continue by putting in your nickname, write your username, set your date of birth. Alright, so you have to create your password. After creating your password, you create a pin code, 6 digits. Alright, use 6 digits to create this pin. Alright, then after that you need to use your invitation code. Now my invitation code is blinking in the screen, on the screen right now. You can copy it, or it's going to be in the description of this video. You can copy it from there and paste it right in this box and you are good to go. Like I am also pasting the invitation link from my upline. I'm going to paste it right here right now. Okay, then the next thing you do is to tap on this box here, then you click on sign up. Right, so it was successful. Now we are here into the application. All right, now you can also download this application from Play Store if you like. There's a quick link over here, right here. You click here and you download it from Play Store. Now in order for you to start mining, the first thing you should be doing here is to click on this button that is blinking up right here. This is where you can start mining. You have to activate it once in every 6 hours. All right, so you click on the start button, then this is going to start for you. So you can mine for every 6 hours right here. You can see we've already activated our mining and the mining has already started. It's going. I would like to download this right now from the Play Store before we go any further. All right, so I'll quickly download the application from the Play Store and I'll just log into it with my details and I'll show you other section of this application. All right, so after downloading the application, you log in with your details, the same details you use in registering for the application, and you are going to get back your account this way. All right, so right here we are in the application. Now one of the things you should be doing daily once you come into here, so that apart from the mining that is going on already, you can always earn some more bonus. Click on this bonus and power up section, click on it. So daily you can come here and definitely you see some bonuses that you can claim. Alright, so if you click on the buttons, you have to watch some advertisement and you'll be getting some bonuses for that. So I've participated in this too already and I've added about 3 hours from here, 3 hours from here. That's about 6 hours. So I think if I go back to the home page, I should see my, okay, you can see now my hours has increased. All right, so it has increased to 11 hours that I can come back in the next 11 hours to claim my, to click on this button to activate my mining. So that's one of the way you can keep accumulating more from this platform. Now you can also scroll on this application right now. Come over here where you can see white paper. Click on the white paper and go through it. There's a lot of information in this white paper that you need, that you want to ask, and they've answered some of those questions right here. So go through the white paper so you understand what is it, what is all about, what the platform is all about. Now the total supply of this token that we are generating here is at 7.7 billion tokens. All right, that's the total supply, and 80% is going to the community, 8% will be going to the team and development, 5% for partnership, 5% for marketing and airdrop, and 2% for reserve. All right, so according to their roadmap, you can see that the mining just started in Q2 of 2025, and we are still in the beginning of Q2 2025. All right, and it's going to be over in Q4 2025. So let's say this is going to be over in December 2025. That is according to this roadmap. All right, so guys, you need to come over here, read the white paper, and you're going to get more information about the project and how everything is going with this project. All right, so now another interesting part about this application is the social network, which is right here. You can access it by clicking here, or you click down here. All right, so we go over there. This is where you can mingle with people. You can actually make a post and react to people's posts, and you guys are going to be communicating on this application. All right, this is the social network section of the application. So the more you participate on this app, also here you will be able to accumulate some more points. They will give you some bonuses for participating. So you can just come over here and make a post, or you just react to people's posts. All right, it's also going to count on it. All right, so apart from that, they also have their own wallet, which is right here. Now the wallet is not yet functional. Like I said, they are working on their own blockchain. They're going to be integrating their own blockchain, so the wallet is going to be functional when the time comes. But right now we are still mining. So guys, that's why I said you should read the white paper to understand what is really going on. All right, so that is it about this platform. The TIKCOIN mining is completely free, and you can see the mining rate at which I am mining right now. So in case you want to earn some more, you need to use your referral link, share your referral link, and build your network. Once you build your network, you will be able to earn some more. All right, so to get your referral link, all you have to do is to come over here, click on my partner network. Just click on my partner network, then you can see over here, then you click on this arrow right here, click on it. Yes, here we are. Then you can copy your referral link. You can click on your referral link here, or your referral code is here. You can use this and you share. You'll be able to bring in a lot of people, and you're also going to be earning percentage on the mining rate. All right, it's going to increase and boost your mining rate. So guys, it's as easy as that. This platform is new and you are still early to hop on it right now. Like I said, they started second quarter of 2025 and we are in second quarter of 2025. Hop on it right now, accumulate maximum of this coin before it gets listed. All right, now guys, this is not a financial advice. This is strictly an educational video showing you how this application really works. So if you're interested and you want to hop on it, please do your own research before you join and start mining. All right, although it is completely free, we are not paying for anything right here. Completely free. All you have to do is to come in, click some buttons once or twice a day, and you are good to go. All right, so guys, the link is in the description. If you're interested, hop on it right now and let's go. So if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.